Let's talk about hatch settings at first. Ring-like hatch fills objects from the outside to the inside like a ring. It is rarely used under normal circumstances. It is usually used for plastic markings. Optimization two-way hatch, similar with bidirectional hatch, but the end of each end connects. This hatch marking speed will fast, but maybe not have great marking results. Unidirectional hatch. The hatch lines will be marked from left to right. The marking speed is slow but the marking effect is good. Bidirectional hatch. The hatch lines will be marked from left to right first, and then from right to left. The left object is being filled by unidirectional hatch or bidirectional hatch, the middle object by ring-like hatch, and the right one is optimization two-way hatch. Then adjust laser settings. Generally only change the speed, power, frequency, no need to adjust too much, and some lasers may not have pulse width. Speed range usually is 10003000 mms. Power range 0% 100%, adjusted according to test mark results. Different machines have different frequency settings, usually no need to adjust. It's the number of pulses acting on the material surface within a unit of time. Q pulse width number smaller, the power will higher. Pulse width multiplier frequency number higher than 1000, then will no power out. Pulse width should be 200 usually. These 4 TC settings is adjusted in factory, so no need to adjust at all. If you accidentally messed up these settings, please check the photo file folder in USB drive, it had backup screenshots. If mark result is not good, check advanced settings. If the jump speed for 1000, min jump delay 300, max jump delay 500. Wobble only check when cutting, wobble diameter 0.2, wobble distance 0.02, when marking do not check wobble settings. Other settings no need to change.